Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken sambar. Start by gathering chicken, tur dal, tamarind, sambar powder, vegetables, and spices, and set a pot and pan on the stove so everything is within reach. Prep takes the most time, so wash the dal, soak tamarind, and chop vegetables while your water heats. Keep measuring spoons handy for accurate spice amounts and a timer for dal cooking. Begin by cooking the tur dal until it is soft and slightly mushy, then set it aside. In a heavy pan, heat oil, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, chopped onions, tomatoes, and your chosen vegetables, sautéing until tender. Add chicken pieces and brown lightly for depth of flavor. Stir in soaked tamarind water, cooked dal, and sambar powder, then simmer gently until the chicken is cooked and the flavors blend into a rich, tangy stew. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep sambar and rice secure for work lunches or fridge storage, plus they stack neatly. I love how they save spills and time when portioning meals. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Taste and adjust seasoning near the end, balancing salt, tamarind tang, and sambar powder heat to your preference. Finish with a hot tempering of mustard seeds, curry leaves, and a broken red chili in oil, pouring it over the sambar for a fragrant lift. Let the stew rest a few minutes so flavors settle, then serve hot over steamed rice, idli, or dosas, and sprinkle chopped cilantro for a fresh finish that brightens each bowl.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.